Welcome to the video tutorial on how to complete a pre-consular application on Etudes en France. Before we get started, note that you can find your US ID number at the top right corner of your screen, below your names, and you can switch languages at the top left corner of your screen. We also recommend for students to use the Etudes en France messaging tool system found here under your mailbox. To complete an application for study abroad, exchange, or dual degree programs, click on Students Already Accepted at the top of your screen. Add your main study program by selecting the first option on the drop-down menu, I am a study abroad exchange dual degree student. Here, you will need to complete 5 sections. The first one is about your home institution in the United States. If you do not find your city or institution, select the option Other to add the information manually. Complete the next section with information about your host institution in France or third-party provider such as APA, Academic Program Abroad, or GEA, Global Studies. If you do not find your institution, campus, or third-party provider, select the option Find your French institution to add the information manually. If you are going to France through a third-party provider, check that the section below Make sure the name of the program is correct reflects your home university, the third-party provider, and your host institution in France. Then complete this section with information about your upcoming program in France. You may need to add information about your field or level of study. This is where you also add the exact start and end dates of your program, which must be for a period of over 90 days. Note that the correct European dates start with the date, then the month and the year. 1st of September 2020, 12th of January 2021. Be prepared to have your statement of motivation ready to paste into the application. This is a brief statement of your motivation for your program in France, written in English or French. Once you will have added your motivations to study in France, click the Register button. Here you can upload your acceptance letter, which must be in a JPEG format and under 300 kilobytes. Note that emails are not considered official. The official acceptance letter is the most important piece of this application, and you need to ensure that it meets the criteria outlined in the Etudes en France guide and contains all relevant information. Note that you may not see the attachment as being downloaded right away. If this is the case, try refreshing your window or you may register anyway. If it does not let you register, your document may exceed 300 kilobytes. To resize your documents, take a screenshot using Snipping Tool on Windows and Shift-Command-4 on Mac. You may need to adjust the JPEG by reducing the definition itself. You can open in Paint on Windows or use the tool's Adjust Size options on Mac. Once you will have uploaded your document, click the Register button one more time. You are now able to complete the remaining sections of the application with Etudes en France. Under your personal information, you will need to upload your photograph, which must be under 50 kilobytes. Under the identity, upload a copy of your passport and US legal status if applicable. Complete your contact information with your US home address and primary phone number if not already entered. And complete the special status section if you are holder of a French government grant, scholarship, or if you received a French baccalaureate within the past 4 years. The Etudes en France platform is built for all types of students, many of whom apply to degree programs through the platform. You may see the option to upload a CV, transcripts, test scores, and more. These are not required for study abroad, exchange, and dual degree students, so please skip those steps. Under Education and Professional Experience, you will need to add a year of higher education and complete it with your current academic activity. This will reflect the actual exchange program between your home university and/or a third party with the host institution in France. You do not need to add any documents to this section. You may skip the language skills section as this does not apply to exchange students. When these three sections are completed, you may go back and confirm the information and submit the application. All sections must be completed in order to submit your file. Once your Etudes en France application is submitted, don't forget to finalize the Campus France procedure by paying and submitting your file on the DocBox application. We hope this is helpful.